In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do email marketing for Shopify. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to the Apps section. This is where you can add new tools that plug directly into your store. Once you're in Apps, use the Search or App Launcher to find what you need. Type Shopify Email into the search field so we can locate Shopify's native email marketing app. When the search results load, look for the official Shopify email listing and open it. Take a moment to review the app page so you know what you're installing. You can scan the overview, see screenshots of the editor, and review key features. You might also glance over permissions and any notes about how the app works with your store data. Exploring these details gives you confidence you're choosing the right tool for your campaigns. Next, click the Install button on the app page. Shopify will bring you back to your admin to confirm. Approve the installation to add the app to your store. The process is quick, and once it's done, you'll see Shopify email available in your apps list. Open the app and select the email channel. This is your home base for building and sending campaigns. You'll likely land on a dashboard with helpful prompts. Look for the Recommendations area. This section surfaces ready-to-use ideas tailored to common e-commerce moments, like announcing new arrivals or promoting a seasonal sale. Browse these recommendations to spark campaign ideas and understand what typically performs well. From there, move into Templates. Templates help you save a branded starting point, so every email looks consistent and professional. Choose. Create your first template. This opens the template editor, where you can name your template and preview the structure you'll use repeatedly. Even if you're not designing fully right now, creating the template sets you up to move faster later, since you won't need to rebuild layouts from scratch for each send. Once your template is created, you'll see how easy it is to access it whenever you're ready to send a campaign. At this stage, you can return to your messaging home to see your channels grouped together. The messaging view is a simple way to stay organized as you manage communication across your store. That's it. You've accessed apps, found Shopify email, installed it, opened the email channel, explored smart recommendations, set up your first template, and returned to your messaging hub. You're now set up to create and send effective on-brand emails.